Alright, Danny Jack's cooking with the blues here. Dark days of summer down here in London. It's already cooled off a little bit though. From last week. It's in the mid-80s, but still humid. So, it's funny, my dad used to talk about it, make a joke, chicken Divan. And classic from way back in the old days. Betty Crocker cookbook and all that, and he'd say, chicken Divan, you gotta sit on the sofa to eat it. So, something different. So, but anyway, we're gonna put some broccoli and like a Dijon, little cheese, cream sauce. So, I get those bottoms. I love the bottom. We're gonna cook them up, simmer them up, and then hear the sizzle. Wait to hear the sizzle, and then you're good to go. Just salt and pepper, floured. Okay. These nice and browned up. I just put salt and black pepper. There's the black pepper on the other side, huh, Glenn?
Yeah.
Brown them up real good. A quick one. Then when I like 3/4 cook them, just keep them up under here warm. And a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic. Put the florets in there. White wine. Cream. Put in a little bit of cheddar. All that flavor from those florets going to go into their sauce. I'll put a little bit of Dijon. Okay. Believe it or not, a little bit of good old American, optional. for all you American cheese haters out there. Okay, put our chicken in. Back in the old days, they do a cream of mushroom soup or cream of celery. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this up just about right on top of the stove, about 2-3 minutes. I'll be right back. We got our Divan on the back burner just for a couple minutes. Oh man. I'm gonna with just a little bit of water. Just to, you know, get all the goodness out the bottom. That looked about right, huh, Glenn?
That's great.
Cheddar, what could be bad? Cheddar cheese. I want to make sure we get everything up off the bottom. See, you got a little bit of cheesy goodness there. But I always put my empty, when I'm done with the cream, put it up here because this cream sets to the side. Look how it came out. Look how much came out. People throw it in the garbage. Look at that down the bottom. Oh. Yeah, here we go. That's it. Yeah. That's it. My dad might be right, man. Might have to eat it, sit on the sofa to eat this one. Or after you're done, that's for sure. That's Daddy Jack's Coat with the Blues here. Oh, nice and tender. Easy to make at home. That cheese and Dijon together, cream, white wine. Wow, that's rich. Maybe they call it Divan because it's so rich, you and your sweetheart could share it, sit on the Divan, and let nature take its course. Look at that. Woo! Oh man, yum. But hey, I got to push away from this, Glenn. I'm going to save this for you.
Thanks.
Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues. Got Glenn Peltier on camera, his wife Paula, Orsini Peltier. Oh, they're a busy couple. They got Orsini Sausage Company. Just shipped out an order today to Maine. He was telling me he had to put some dry ice on it. You know, it's preferably shipped in the wintertime when it's cold. Goes UPS, but oh, they're triple hot sausage links. The oh, I love this small sausage, parsley, garlic, and then they also got a cut above hair salon. Always voted #1 in the Day magazine, top, you know, best of, and you know, that's what hard work pays off in life. That's for darn sure. But it's beautiful downtown in London. Daddy Jack's Go with the Blues, Deepwater Port, submarines come through. Everything from submarines to ocean liners. Once in a while we get it here. Sailboats, I guess this is going to have tall ships are going to be coming in for op sale this year. You got Amtrak, you We got ferry boats, all the islands, boats to the islands. Beautiful place to visit. Peace.